Good morning students. Welcome back to geography class. Students, now we are learning geography lesson 7. Is it human geography of Tamil Nadu? Today also I am going to teach the continuation of this lesson. Okay. Before that, I am going to recall few important points about previous class portion. Students, in previous class, which are the topic we learnt? Have you remember? Very good. We learned about mineral resources and industries, is it? First of all, we learned about mineral resources. Mineral resources, these are the quantity of natural things, is it? Mineral resources are the quantity of natural things which contain solid, liquid and gases. Okay, we are getting from the earth, that means on the earth crust. Okay, some of the mineral resources are we are getting from different districts in Tamil Nadu. Which are the mineral resources are we are getting from, we can found which are the states, that all explanation we learned, is it? For example, mainly the lignite resource. Where we can found lignite resource, students? Very good. Neyveli. Okay, from Neyveli we can found lignite resources. Okay, likewise, different varieties of mineral resources where we can found in different districts of Tamil Nadu. Is it? Then, secondly, we learned about industries. Is it? Secondly, we learned about industries. What is industries? Very good. Group of organization that produce goods items and supply. Is it? Industries are group of organization that produce goods items and it is supplied to one market or one country to other country, etc. Okay. Then from here, some of the important industries of Tamil Nadu we learned. Is it? Have you remember, students, what are the important industries in Tamil Nadu? Very good. Textile industry, silk textile, leather industry, paper industry and cement industry. Is it? First of all, we learned about textile industry. Textile industry, it is one of the important, that means well developed industries in Tamil Nadu. Many textile mills are found, we can found in Tamil Nadu. For example, in the districts of Coimbatore, Tirupur, Salem, in the place of Palladam, Karur, Dindigul, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi, Madurai, Erode. These all districts mostly we can found the textile mills. Okay, mostly Erode, a very important districts, we can found handloom and powerloom ready-made garments. Mainly in Erode we can found handloom and powerloom, and ready-made garments also mostly we can found in the Erode. Okay, then Coimbatore, which is the ancestor of Tamil Nadu? Very good, Coimbatore. Okay, Coimbatore is known as the ancestor of Tamil Nadu. Important one word question. Okay, which is the ancestor of Tamil Nadu? Very good. Coimbatore is the ancestor of Tamil Nadu. Okay, then which regions are referred as Textile Valley of Tamil Nadu? Excellent. Tirupur and Erode. Textile Valley of Tamil Nadu. Which are the regions are called the Textile Valley of Tamil Nadu? Tirupur and Erode. Okay. Then the textile capital of Tamil Nadu? Very good. Karur. Okay. Which is the which area is called the textile capital of Tamil Nadu? Very good. Karur. Okay. Karur is known as the textile capital of Tamil Nadu. Then next we learned about the silk textiles. The main area we can found the quality silk textile mean Kanchipuram. The whole world we can take Kanchipuram. Okay, Kanchipuram is the most important district. We can found the silk textiles. That means quality silk textiles. And also some other areas are any Kumbakonam, Salem, Coimbatore, Madurai. Like these districts also we can found most of the silk textile areas. Okay. Then next we learned about leather industry. Next we learned about the leather industry. Leather industry, one of the important industry in Tamil Nadu. In India, 38% of leather production where we can producing through Tamil Nadu state. Okay, Tamil Nadu state. Then hundreds and of leather tanneries are located in some of the districts of Tamil Nadu. Hundreds of leather tanneries. Leather tanneries means using skins and hides of animals to produce some of the leather items. Okay, we can hundreds of tanneries are there in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then next we learned about paper industry. Is it paper industry, students? Where we can found most of the paper mill in Tamil Nadu? Very good. Karur district. Okay, Karur district, one of the important district. We can found paper mill. Okay, paper mills. Most of the paper mills are located in Karur district. Okay, then some other districts also varieties of paper industries are there. Okay, then finally we learned about cement industry. Finally, we learned about cement industry. Okay, cement industry. India get a second rank in the world for the production of cement. Is it? India has the second place to the production of cement industry. Among them, Tamil Nadu is one of the important state to producing cement. Okay, in Tamil Nadu there are two units of cements are there. In Tamil Nadu operating two cement units. One is Ariyalur and another one is Alangulam. Ariyalur and Alangulam. Okay, these are the two units of cement industry. Okay, these all things we learned in the previous class. Okay, and also I gave some question answers. I hope you learned that question answers also. Students, day to day portion you must learn. Okay, okay students, now let us come forward to today's class. Okay, today I am going to teach information technology, IT. Okay, IT means information technology. Okay, then the southern state, that means the southern most important state is our Tamil Nadu state. Is it? Our Tamil Nadu state produce half of the country's total export of software. Our Tamil Nadu state produce half of the country's total exports of software. According to National Association of Software and Services Companies mention these amount of exporting software items. Okay, and also Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh together produce 59.6% of information technology for the total India software exports. Okay, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh produce exported 59.6% of software exports. From here, Tamil Nadu is the second largest software exporter in the country next to Karnataka. That means Tamil Nadu get second place to exported software items. The first place is Karnataka. Okay, the first place is Karnataka. Then next one is the special economic zones. Special economic zones. It provides internationally competitive and hassle-free environment for exports. It provides, that means special economic zones are provides international competitive and hassle-free environment for exports. That means competitive means as good competitive means good and hassle-free environment of export. That means informal environment for exports. Informal environment for exports. Okay, then some of the units are there to manufacturing goods and services. For example, CES units. It is located in Nanguneri. CES is located in Nanguneri. Then Ennur, Osur and Perambalur. These are the important CES manufacturers units. Okay, then IT and ITESS, that means named Tidal 2 and Tidal 3. Then Bioparamedical 6. It is located in Chennai and Coimbatore. This Coimbatore CES is called the Tidal Park 4. Okay, these all tidal parks and these all special economic zones are located in Tamil Nadu, some other parts. Okay, then next is some of the list of IT parks in Tamil Nadu. Okay, some of the list of IT parks in Tamil Nadu. The major list of IT parks in Tamil Nadu are tidal parks, Asandas, Mahendra World City 4 IT and ITS Tidal 2, IT and Tides says Tidal 3, Coimbatore says Tidal Park. Coimbatore says Tidal Park. It is Tidal Park 4. Okay, it is called Tidal Park 4. These are the important list of IT parks in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then the next one is manufacturing and engineering industry. The next one is the manufacturing and engineering industry. Listen students, the manufacturing industry, it is one of the most important sector of the state economy. Okay, the manufacturing industry is one of the most important sectors in our state economy, and also the manufacturing industry covers some of the manufacturers machinery and equipment. For example, motor vehicles, basic metal and alloy industries. Alloy means steel industries. Okay, alloy industries means steel industries, metal products and repair of capital goods. These all things are manufacturing in the industries. Okay, manufacturing in the particular industries. Okay, then the next one is the automobile industry. Next one is the automobile industry. In Tamil Nadu, 21% of passengers cars and 33% of commercial vehicles, 35% of automobile components are produced. In India, Tamil Nadu is one of the most important states to produce 21% of passengers cars. Okay, totally in India, Tamil Nadu alone produced 21% of passengers cars, then 33% of commercial vehicles. Okay, Tamil Nadu alone producing 33% of commercial vehicles and 35% of automobile components. Okay, these are the things Tamil Nadu state alone producing. Okay, then the major automobile manufacturers are Ford, Hyundai, Mitsubishi, Ashok Leyland and TAFE. These are the some of the important automobile manufacturers in Tamil Nadu. Okay, some of the important automobile manufacturers in Tamil Nadu. Listen very careful students. What are the important major automobile manufacturers in Tamil Nadu? The first one is Ford. Okay, first one is Ford. Second one is Hyundai. Okay, Hyundai company. Okay, then the next one is the Mitsubishi. Okay, Mitsubishi. The next one is the Ashok Leyland. Then TAFE. These are the important manufacturing automobile industries in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then the next one is handlooms and power looms. In which district we can mostly found the handlooms and power looms mills? Very good. Previous class we learned is City Road. It is one of the important sector in the state of Tamil Nadu. It provide the livelihood of large number of rural people. That means it provide through handloom and power looms mill. Most of the rural area people were get employment. Okay, and also it is one of the important exporting items. Okay, important exporting items. It is one of the important exporting items. Mainly, most of the areas produced the cloth required for the scheme, free supply of uniforms to school children. Okay, mostly these handlooms and power looms mills are supply school uniform, free supply for the school to the uniform for the children, and free distribution of saris and dhoti scheme. Okay, free distribution of saris and dhoti schemes. Okay, then the next one is the sugar industry. Next one is the sugar industry. It is one of the important industry in Tamil Nadu. It is agro-based industry. Very, very important one-word question, students. Sugar industry is the agro-based industry. Okay, sugar industry is the agro-based industry. It play an important role in the improvement of the economic condition of our state. Okay, the sugar industry is one of the important improving economic conditions in the state. Mainly in the rural areas, mostly we can found this sugar industry. Then this sugar industry provides large scale direct employment to several thousands and indirect employment to several lakhs of farmers and agricultural laborers in rural areas. Listen very careful, student. Through sugar industries, thousands of people, that means thousands of people were get employment directly, and lakhs of farmers and agricultural laborers were get indirect employment through this sugar industry. Okay, then mainly the rural area people were involved to cultivating sugarcane, harvesting sugarcane, and transporting that particular sugarcane. Rural people, that means mostly in the rural areas cultivated sugar industry. So the rural people mostly involved to cultivation of sugarcane, harvesting sugarcane, and transporting and other services for sugarcane. Okay, then the last one is the tourism industry. The last one is the tourism industry. Tourism also one of the important industry in Tamil Nadu. The states emerge as leading tourist destination for domestic and foreign tourists. Okay, domestic people also visiting the tourist area, and most of the foreign tourist people also came to Tamil Nadu to visiting the tourist area. These tourist area were promoted by Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation. Okay, tourism center is promoted by Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation. Okay, the important tourism centers in Tamil Nadu are some of the ancient monuments, pilgrim centers, hill stations, variety of natural landscapes, long coastal line area, some of the rich culture and heritage. These all make Tamil Nadu is a best tourism area. What are the important areas are mentioned in tourism area, students? The first one is mountainous regions, some of the mountainous areas, pilgrim centers, hill stations, some of the natural landscape, long coastline, and some of the culture and heritage area are considered the tourism areas in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Students, I hope you understood about all these things. Then the next topic is population. Okay, the next topic is population. The term population refers to number of people living in a country or particular area. The term population refers to number of people living in particular area is considered as population. Okay, the statistical study of characteristics of human population is called demography. The statistical study of characteristics. Statistical means observation studies. Okay, the observation study of the characteristics of human population is called demography. Demography means the study of human population. What is meant by demography? Demography means the study of human population. Okay. Then from here, first of all, I am going to teach regions of high population. From here, first of all, I am going to teach the regions of high population. Regions of high population. Mainly, the high population areas are Coimbatore, Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Viluppuram, Dharmaburi, Chelam, Madurai, and Tirunelveli. These are the areas or most populous districts in the state. That means high population areas. These are the areas are the high population area. Mostly the agriculture and industrial development is one of the most important cause for high population. Okay, the agriculture and industrial development is the main reason for increasing the population in these particular areas. Okay, then the next one is the regions of moderate population. Next one is the regions of moderate population. Now listen here. Tiruvannamalai, Kudalur, Tiruchirappalli and Tanjavur districts. These districts are how the population, that means 30 to 35 lakhs of populations are there. Then Belur, Dindikkal, Virudhunagar and Thoothukudi districts have the population of 15 to 20 lakhs. Then mainly the agriculture, small scale industry and fishing areas, that means the coastal areas found in this particular area. So these are the main reason for the moderate population in this particular districts. That means the major occupations are agriculture, small scale industries and fishing. Okay, these are the main occupation of peoples in these districts. Moderate population. Okay, then the next one is the religions of sparse population. Next one is the regions of sparse population. Sparse means scattered. Scattered, that means small in number. Sparse means scattered or small in number. Very low population area. Okay. Mainly the coastal districts like Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, Pudukkottai, Ramanathapuram and Sivagangai. These districts are mostly the sparse population areas. For example, less than 15 lakh people are living in these particular districts. Okay, and also Nilgiri districts, very less populating area. Nilgiri districts is a very less populating area. That means less than 10 lakh populations are there. In Nilgiri, less than 10 lakh populations are we can found in this particular districts. Okay. Then the next one is the population density. The next one is the population density. The Tamil Nadu state get 12th rank. Okay, 12th rank to Indian states population. Okay, Tamil Nadu state get 12th rank to Indian states of population density. As per 2011 census, the density of population is 382. According to 2011 census, the national average of density population is 382. From here, Chennai is the densest district. Chennai is the densest district. 26,903 persons are living per square kilometers. Listen very careful, students. In Chennai, 26,903 persons are living per square kilometer. Then followed by Kanyakumari, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Madurai, Coimbatore, Kudalur, Tanjavur, Nagapattinam, Chellam, Vellore, Tiruchirappalli. These districts also densely populated districts in Tamil Nadu. Okay, these are the regions with high density population. Okay, then the least density population is recorded as Nilgiri. Okay, Nilgiri districts is the least density population. Remaining all districts have moderate density population. The least population density district is Nilgiri. Then some of the district I mentioned, for example, Chennai, Kanyakumari, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Madurai, Coimbatore, Kudalur, Tanjavur, Nagapattinam, Chellam, Vellore and Tiruchirappalli. These are the high density districts in Tamil Nadu. Then Nilgiri is the least density population in Tamil Nadu. Remaining all districts are moderate density population in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Then the next one is the religion of Tamil Nadu. Religion of Tamil Nadu. Okay. In Tamil Nadu, mainly some of the major religions are there. For example, Hinduism, Christianity and Islam. The major religions are Hinduism, Christianity and Islam. Okay, from here, Hindus constitute the largest of the population. That means most of the peoples are Hindus, followed by Christians and Muslims. Okay, followed by Christians and Muslims. Then Jainism, Sikhism, Buddhism also other important religions in Tamil Nadu. Okay, the Jainism, Buddhism and Sikhism also the other important religions in Tamil Nadu. But the major religions are Hinduism, Christianity and Islam. Okay, then the next one is the sex ratio. Sex ratio. Sex ratio is represent the number of females per thousand males. Sex ratio means number of females per thousand males. Okay. Then highest sex ratio is found in Nilgiri districts. The highest sex ratio is found in Nilgiri district, followed by Tanjavur district. Okay. Highest sex ratio is found in Nilgiri districts, followed by Tanjavur districts. Then lowest sex ratio is we can found in Dharmaburi district, followed by Chellam district. Okay, followed by Chellam district. Then the last one is literacy rate. The last one is literacy rate. What is meant by literacy, students? Very good. The people who are able to read and write are called literate. Literacy. Okay. What is meant by literacy? The people who are able to read and write are known as literacy. Okay. Then rate, literacy rate. Literacy rate means the percentage of literate people to the total population. Okay, the percentage of literate of people to the total population is formed as literacy rate. Okay, then again Tamil Nadu, the Kanyakumari districts has reported the highest literacy rate. In whole Tamil Nadu state, Kanyakumari district is the highest literacy rate districts in Tamil Nadu. Then Dharmaburi district is the lowest literacy rate in Tamil Nadu. Dharmaburi, Kanyakumari is the highest literacy rate in Tamil Nadu, and Dharmaburi is the lowest literate district in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then the high level of literacy rate is also seen in Chennai. Then first one is Kanyakumari, followed by Chennai, Thoothukudi, and Kanchi, Nilgiri, and Kanchipuram. First literacy district is Kanyakumari, followed by Chennai, Thoothukudi, Nilgiri, and Kanchipuram districts. Okay, can you understand, students? I hope you understood about all these topics. Shall we recall the points? Students, in this class, we learned about information technology and population. Is it information technology and population? First of all, we learned about information technology. Is it first of all, we learned about information technology. Information technology, that means IT companies. Okay. Then half of the total country's export software item is we can found in Tamil Nadu. Is it comparing all other state? Tamil Nadu is the one of the important state. Half of the country's total export of software were exporting from Tamil Nadu. Okay. Then Tamil Nadu, second largest software exporter in the country. Okay. Which state is the first largest software exporter country? Very good. Karnataka. Okay. Second important largest software exporter country state is Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. Next we learned about the special zones. The special zones. Some of the IT parks in Tamil Nadu. For example, Tidal Parks, Asandas, Mahendra World City, 4IT, and ITESS, Tidal 2, Tidal IT Tides, Tidal 3, Coimbatore says Tidal Park. That means Tidal 4. These are the important IT parks in Tamil Nadu. Is it? Then we learned about the special economic zones. Some of the special economic zones. So for example, the seas located in Nanganeri, Ennur, Osur, and Perambalur. IT and ITSS, that means Tidal 2 and Tidal 3. Then biomedical cess, these are located in Chennai. Then Coimbatore cess, that is called Tidal Park. It is located in the city of Coimbatore. These are the special economic zones, is it? Then manufacturing and engineering industry. That means some of the metal items, alloy industries, metal industry, motor vehicle industry, machines, equipments, metal products, repair of capital goods. These all items were produced in some of the industries in Tamil Nadu, is it? Then automobile industry. In whole India, 21% of passengers cars are produced from Tamil Nadu. 33% of commercial vehicles are produced in Tamil Nadu. 35% of automobile vehicles are produced in Tamil Nadu, comparing all other states in India, is it? Then some of the varieties of automobile industries we learned. Then we learned about handloom and powerloom. Mostly we can find the handloom and powerloom mills are in E-Road. Okay, E-Road. Then these particular handlooms and powerlooms mills were freely supplied the uniform for school children and free distribution of saris and dhotis scheme. Okay. Then sugar industry, we learned about sugar industry. It is one of the agro based industry. Okay, sugar industry is one of the agro based industry. Most of the rural areas people were doing work through this sugar industry, and the rural area people get the employment from directly and indirectly through this sugar industry. And also rural area people were involved in the cultivation of sugar cane, harvesting the sugar cane and transporting the sugar cane from one place to other place. Okay, then finally we learned about the tourism industry. In Tamil Nadu, some of the areas are have the tourism industry. That means the foreign domestic and foreign tourist industries are there. These tourist industries were promoted by Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation. Okay, Tamil Nadu TTDC, Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation. Some of the tourist centers are some of the ancient monuments, pilgrim centers, hill stations, some of the natural landscape, coastline, culture and heritage. These all are areas are some of the important tourist industries in Tamil Nadu. Then finally we learned about the population. Is it population? High population areas, mainly Coimbatore, Chennai, Tiruvallur, like some of the district has high populous district. Okay, then why that particular areas are concentrated in high populated areas? Very good. Agriculture and industrial industries are most of the industries are located in this particular area. So most of the people are settled here and they get job from some of the agriculture and industrial areas. Okay, so these areas get high population. Then regions of moderate population, for example, some of the district like Kudalur, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, these are the moderate population area. Because of agriculture, small scale industry and fishing occupations, these areas get the moderate population. Okay, then next we learned about the regions of sparse population, that means small in number population. Some of the coastal districts, for example, Nagapattinam, Pudukkottai, Ramanathapuram, these coastal districts has very low population. Comparing all districts, Nilgiri districts is one of the less population area. Okay, Nilgiri district is the less populated area. Less than 10 lakh populations are considered here. Okay, then we learned about the population density. Population density, Chennai, the most important density district is Chennai. Then next followed by Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is the second important densely populated district. Then Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Madurai, Coimbatore, like some of the districts are densely populated districts. Then the least density population area is regarded as Nilgiri. Okay, Nilgiri is the least populated, densely populated area. The next we learned about the religion. Which are the most important major religions in Tamil Nadu, students? Very good. Hinduism, Christianity and Islam. Okay, Hinduism, Christianity and Islam. Then we learned about the sex ratio. Sex ratio represents number of females per 1000 males. Okay, number of females per 1000 males. Then the highest sex ratio, mainly we can found in Nilgiri district, and the least sex ratio is we can found Dharmaburi district. Okay, Dharmaburi district. Then finally we learned about the literacy rate. Finally, we learned about the literacy rate. Literacy means the people who are able to read and write are called literacy. Literacy rate means the percentage of literacy of people in the total population is mentioned as literacy rate. Okay. Then in Tamil Nadu, Kanyakumari district is reported as highest literacy rate and Tharmaveri district is recorded as lowest literacy rate. Okay, highest literacy rate is Kanyakumari, followed by Chennai, Thuthukudi, Nilgiri and Kanchipuram. The lowest literacy rate district is in Dharmaburi district. Okay, students, these are the things we learned in the previous class. I hope you understood about all these things. Students, the continuation of this lesson I will teach the next class. Okay, next class I will complete this lesson and I will give all the question answers also. Okay, students, now you will turn the exercise page number 233. Page number 233. Page number 233. Roman number 7. Roman number 7. Give reasons for the following. Roman number 7. Give reasons for the following. Okay. From there, the third question. Karur is called the textile capital of Tamil Nadu. That one yesterday I gave. Second question. Cities are densely populated than the villages. Cities are densely populated than the villages. Refer the guide. Okay, that question you should refer the guide. You have to mark in the guide. Okay. Then Roman number 8. Answer the following in a paragraph. Fourth question. Paragraph question. There, from there, fourth question. State the densely populated regions of Tamil Nadu and account for its high density. Okay. That particular questions you have to refer the guide. That question you have to refer the guide. Okay. And also in the previous classes I gave some question answers. Students, all the question answers together you will learn. Okay. The continuation of this lesson I will teach the next class, and the map questions also I will give the next class. Okay, students, we will meet the next class. Thank you.